Hello everyone, my name is Komal Kailas Suryavanshi. So today we are discussed control statement in Java. So Java compiler execute the program in repeatedly and it executes the code one by line. So if there is no control statement, so Java does not code executed step by step. So this is the control statements in Java. There are three types of control statement in Java. First is decision making control statement in Java. Second one is loop control statement in Java, and third one is jump control statement in Java. So in decision making there are three types: if statement, else if statement, and switch statement. Then in loop statement there are three types of statement: um, do while loop, and for loop. Then third one is jump statement. In jump statement also there are two types of control statement. First one is break and second one is a continue statement. So let us we discussed one by one control statement. Then first we discuss about decision making statement. So in decision making statement there are first is if statement. If statement is used for to execute the boolean expression, either it is true or false. But there is execute first true, then it run the code. Then we discuss about else if statement. In else if statement it is used for the execute the false statement in control statement in Java. Then we discuss about switch statement. In switch statement it execute break the loop, break the statement, and it is used for the switch statement. Then we discuss about loop statement. First one is for loop. For loop is used for to start the loop, and it is a fixed iteration of loop. And then we discuss about do while loop. Do while loop and while loop is a not for fixed iterations loop. In while loop there are in while and do while loop we execute the code, and it is useful for control statement in Java. Then we discuss about do while and do while loop. It is check the conditions. If condition is true, then it execute the program. In condition is false, then it goes to if else and while do statements. So it is used for check the condition. This all is about loop statement. Then we discussed about jump statement. In jump statement there are two types. First one is break and second one is continue. In break statement is used to break the current flow of the program, and it transfers the control to the other statement. Break statements cannot be used independently Java program. It can be written by inside the loop of switch statement. This is used is a break statement. Then we discuss about continue statement. Continue statement is used to current flow of the program, and it doesn't like a break statement. It continues the flow of the code. It does not break the any loop and any conditions. So this is all about control statement in Java. Thank you so much guys.